Bulgari creates the world's thinnest watch with the $440,000 USD Octo Finissimo Ultra, the 8th time an Octo has broken a watchmaking world record. Well, it looks very cool.
Check how thin this is.
But I can't tell from... Oh, my God.
Look at that.
And that has actual mechanical...
That has gears in it.
Components in there.
Yes.
Good Lord, that's very cool.
I'm guessing it's a QR code.
That does look like a QR code.
That scans its authenticity. Kind of like an NFT.
Easy, Will.
I'm just putting it out there.
NFT thin watch, Swiss made. I think it's lovely. I think it's really cool. I mean, would I wear it? No, I just don't want a $500,000 watch near me. I just don't. I don't even want it near me. Like that, I leave it somewhere. If you're the type that collects watches and you buy one like that, what do you
very rare special?
You wear it like twice a year.
I would wear it more often than I think I would, just to show it off. Like, hey, this is very thin.
5 times a year?
More.
Oh my God, Will. You're gonna need.
I'll wear it every day.
You're gonna need a hefty insurance policy for that.
Definitely.
Your insurance policy is gonna cost more than your Bronco payments.
Oh yeah,
just for a damn thin watch.
Every month would be a Bronco.
Either way, it's that's pretty cool. Shout out Lato.